Top 10 ranking football players in the world. Football players are the most important people in football. Every team has their own star player. So how can we choose the top 10 ranking football players in the world? First of all, their age doesn't matter. Because if you have strength and courage, you can be young or old and do amazing things, just like Cristiano Ronaldo. 1. Lionel Messi. He is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward for Spanish club Barcelona and the Argentina national team. Often considered the great player in the world and rated by many in the sport as the greatest of all time, Messi is the one football player in history to win 5 FIFA Ballons d'Or, 4 of which he won consecutively, and the first player to win 3 European Golden Shoes. Nicknamed La Pulga, the Flea, his playing style and small stature has drawn comparisons to Diego Maradona, who himself declared Messi his successor. With Barcelona, Messi has won 8 La Liga titles and 4 UEFA Champions League titles, as well as 4 Copas del Rey. With Argentina, he has won 2 Olympic gold medals, 2008 and 2012. 2. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Soraya Club Juventus and captains the Portugal national team. Often considered the great player in the world and regarded by many as one of the greatest of all time, Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Or awards, 4 European Golden Shoes, and 3 FIFA World Cups. He was named the UEFA Club Footballer of the Year and the FIFA World Player of the Year twice, in 2008 and 2013. He is ranked by The Guardian as the world's most famous athlete. 3. Neymar. Neymar is a Brazilian professional footballer who plays as a forward for French club Paris Saint-Germain and the Brazil national team. He is widely considered to be one of the best players in the world. Neymar began playing football as a young boy and quickly rose through the ranks of Brazilian club Santos Youth Academy. He made his professional debut at age 18 and went on to score 138 goals in 225 appearances for Santos. Neymar is the second highest goal scorer for the country, just behind Pele with 64 goals in 103 matches. Neymar's 72nd goal put him in the list of top 10 goal scorers in PSG history, his first goal against Angers. He has pocketed many popular and prestigious awards. He is the world's 3rd most famous athlete and one of the most influential people in the world. He earns huge after transfer to PSG and ranks 3rd among the highest paid athletes. 4. Mohamed Salah. Mohamed Salah is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for Premier League club Liverpool and the Egypt national team. He is considered one of the best players in the world. In 2018, he was named African Footballer of the Year in BBC African Footballer of the Year. He has also won the Premier League Golden Boot and PFA Players Player of the Year. At international level, Salah played a key role in Egypt's first ever qualification to the World Cup final tournament in Russia. His performances have drawn criticism from opponents such as Southampton manager Mark Hughes, who complained that defenders were being penalized because they were afraid to tackle him. 5. Kylian Mbappé. Kylian Mbappé is a French professional footballer who plays as a forward for Ligue 1 club Paris Saint-Germain and the France national team. He is widely considered as one of the best players in the world, and he has been described as a generational talent. In 2020, he was named by Forbes as the 2nd highest paid footballer in the world, with an annual income of $105 million. He began his career at AS Bondy before joining Monaco in 2013. He made his senior international debut for France in 2017 and represented them at the 2018 FIFA World Cup, winning the tournament on home soil. Mbappé's performances during this tournament were hailed as among the greatest ever seen from a teenager in international football history. Another player who could fluently end up challenging for the Ballon d'Or at the end of the time is Manchester City's Kevin De Bruyne. He's fluently the stylish midfielder in England, and his vision and passing capability are off the maps. De Bruyne has 11 pretensions and 18 assists in the Premier League this season, and with 4 games left to play, could veritably well be the player to eventually break Thierry Henry's Premier League record of 20 assists in season. Having conceded the Premier League title to Liverpool this season, Pep Guardiola's dominant Manchester City platoon will want to prove itself when the title holders' league resumes in August. 7. Virgil van Dijk. Virgil van Dijk is a Dutch professional footballer who plays as a centre-back for English Premier League club Liverpool and captains the Netherlands national team. Van Dijk is widely regarded as one of the best defenders in the world and has been praised for his leadership, physicality, aerial ability, and technical skills. In 2019, he was named the UEFA Men's Player of the Year and won the Ballon d'Or, becoming the first defender to win either award since Fabio Cannavaro in 2006. He was also included in the 2019 FIFA FIF Pro World Roman 11. He made his debut for Holland on 11 November 2017, scoring an own goal after 3 minutes in a 1-0 friendly defeat against France at the Stade de France. 8. Sadio Mane. Senegalese professional footballer who plays as a winger for Premier League club Liverpool and the Senegal national team. Mane made his senior debut for Metz in 2012 and transferred to Red Bull Salzburg in 2014. He scored 25 goals in his first season with the Austrian club, earning him a transfer to Southampton. After a successful first season with the Saints, he was signed by Liverpool for a fee of $34 million, making him the most expensive African player at that time. 9. Riyad Mahrez. Riyad Mahrez is a professional footballer who plays as a winger for Premier League club Manchester City and the Algerian national team. He has been voted African Footballer of the Year twice, in 2016 and 2018. A quick, skillful, and creative player on the right flank, Mahrez is known for his dribbling, crossing, and finishing. In July 2018, he was ranked as the 6th best footballer in the world by The Guardian. 10. Erling Haaland. The young Norwegian striker has been one of the most prolific goal scorers in Europe over the past 2 years. Haaland scored a ridiculous 44 goals in 31 games for Red Bull Salzburg last season, and he continued his goal-scoring ways this year with 19 goals in 20 games for Borussia Dortmund. At just 20 years old, Haaland has already established himself as one of the great strikers in the world.